A bell that hung on the USS Mars naval ship has sat at the corner of Pittsburgh Street and Grand Avenue in Mars since 2006, with a formal dedication in 2008. David Phlieger hasn't seen the bell since he served on the ship in the early 1980s. On Wednesday, the Ohio resident spent several hours polishing the piece of history and remembering his time on the vessel.
I said, it's only 2 hours. Let's drive out there and see it. When I got here, took some pictures of it, and some of the guys on the Facebook said, well, man, it looks awful tall. I said, yeah, I know. I said, I don't know if it takes care of it or anything. I looked into it. I just told my wife, I said, just drive back out there again. We'll get some stuff, and I'm going to put a shine to it. So you would ring it when the captain would come and go, on and off the ship. It would get run for that. And every day it would get run at noon for what they called 8 bells. It'd ring then, and then they would do it for drills, fire drills and things like that.
This has been a Butler Eagle Report.